sawa bbiri yangamba leaving the next day but yali yetaaga sente nainawo bumiliyoni bwange busatu nali okusavinga kyo kyava dda nanego okusavinga
yajjangani like yakwaprochinga ngani like a friend
no like
omuntu wakusomera ddiru
no Facebook yangamba you so nice I love you bichi
I
love your character like your character or your good model bichi nedda mukwano. So I went there and when I went there how they raped me is
but now don't.
So I'm not gonna. So right now I'm strong. They're very okay. So how I was raped, I was drugged. Ngenda okudengulu. I'm not feeling myself. I'm feeling too much pain. Yes, I was feeling too much pain, and this when I entered, there were 10 people. I got scared. So I called my friend. I have one of my closest long-time friend. We started together, but now she's like a sister to me. I called some.
Raping room. Abasajja bali 10. Yeah? Kati wavayo nge owulira pain.
Too much pain.
No genda mu ddwaliro.
I didn't know where to go. You know we are in the society where we are not informed.
Oyo gayi mwanyumyamuko.
I was blocked. Try to get Facebook. I was blocked. That is the point where I draw the line. I'm not going to forgive that person. So wechatukao, I got frustrated. Samanya nali simanyi. So I called my sister and sister nemugamba that very morning. Nemugamba twabadde wano bichi nangamba lwaki tewangambye. Nemugamba nange simanyi ze oli yangambye I'm leaving. Come tuogere ngenda kufuna passport ogende kutwala mu America. Ekyo nekindeka wala kyandeka wala amazima ga Katonda kuba obulamu bwange. I think most of my decision even till now start from that day. That day when it happened and I got pep in the evening. I went and met my mom and I told her. My mom now ignoring her. No such mugamba bwenti nasi nawe nkitandika. Nanga mom I'm not okay. I need to discuss to you about something, blah, 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 blah.
Wali okubulira mama watenga that was something that happened that
society ngokwogera ekintu ekimu kikubya. People are going to judge. Me one thing I don't like it to tell you something. Response to neberanga sibwenji so. Beranga go kitwalanga trauma yet you were high and you were liking what
kulagako ku video eyo nga bakuraping.
Teyajindaga ulida tugenda maaso because tukyagenda. So tuba tukyagenda maaso I get worried. I come back home. My mom's house was here, then wali wa neighbor we yaberanga so ngendayo musibula ngende waka
mava kati engeri gye walokoka olinayo space y'okusonyiwa mami more than that.
My mom sikuinaako buzibu
kubanga ogambye tojja musi
no sikuina no leka nkunyine sikuinaako buzibu ufune ekizibu you can call me when you need help you can call me. You can go through the person who called me to come for. Namulabyeko even of recent at the burial. Twabadde awo kuzika kwa muntu ali so crucial in my life. Kwe walabye. I went for a burial. Nengenda ne musanga. Mampitako naye ne muyitako. Netweyitako yakakkana. Ngamazo yitawo muba connections nyingi nengenda ne mubuuza. Nga asweta no mami. We had yataka. Omaye ntambula nengenda.
Nam Wellness Spa offers therapeutic massage services complimentary with sauna and steam bath for your full body cleansing. You can now get a Swedish massage, hot stones, sport massage, aromatherapy, salt ability hot stone therapy, Moroccan bath hammam, jacuzzi and many more therapeutic massage varieties. We are located along Lukuli Road near Teletubbies Primary School or Frumala Access, Kongebuziga. Call us on 0708-842-821. Platinum Wellness Spa, here to take care of you.
abalungi abali ku HK Media yenze Hadija Kigozi wetulinyo okuba tubaweereza in your latest updates and celebrity news, TikTokers edition, life experiences and adventures. Mwebale kutwagala, mwebale kusubscribinga, woba oli mpya ku channel eno nyiga akagambako ka subscribe okubeera nti tweyungako, woba oli ku Facebook, ku Instagram, ku TikTok, ku Twitter, beera nga tufollowingako bulambalamba. Aba Platinum Wellness Spa bakugamba nti kati osobola ogendako mu spa yaabwe, it's a VVIP treatment esangibwa Buziga off Lumala access osobola okubeera nga bafuna. Aba Natural Tea Hub bakugamba nti basala weight gw'omukyala eyakazaala weeraliikiridde nti omubiri guyinza obutaddawo, bakubireko babeere nga bakuyamba okuba nti no okipinga in shape. Olunaku olwaleero tuli ne mwana mulenzi Don Lubega wa luzunguzungu naye ngenda kugezaako okulaba nti mmutegeera nga sikoze mu nsobi yonna. Don Lubega basinga obungi mubadde mumulabanga ku TikTok, bamwogerako ku TikTok lives ze. Abantu bangi bamwogerako eyo ku lives naye nga tetumanyi ono Doni ki ali mu Kampala. Twamulabako awo nga mukwano gwa pressure tetumanyi wa gye byakira. So we are here today tubeere nga tumutegera ebitonotono ebimukwatako. Sasa okulaba
nsanso basanga abantu ba HK Media. My name is Don Lubega, but amanya ga matuufu nze Ashraf Lubega.
Ashraf Lubega?
Yes.
You're a Muslim?
Yeah, I'm a Muslim. Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. But the reason why I don't use it, abana Uganda bano balina nnyo olugezigeze n'akajanja. Bagala nnyo okwetumiikiriza. That's one thing I don't use my Muslim name, because they always attach what you do to the name. Oyambala oli musiramu oli kino bambi kati ne balabala bambi bamashek ba kuno bahajjati ba kuno abantu abo bonna n'enkyusa erinnya nemba w'ekitiibwa nenga bambi saga baswaza ate nange sagala kweswaza nga kankose Don. So that's my name, Don, and yeah, that's so far. That is my name. That's who I am.
Doni fetulooza because twalabanga Don Ivan Semwanga nga mugagga waati tulabye ba Don nga be balinamu wano kiri kitya kugwe.
Honestly, no. Honestly, I'm not going to say that I have much, but I have what is enough. I have various establishments. I've at least at my age, nina ebintu byenkoze abantu bali ku myaka gyange batalina. Jaki bajjukiza nnyo emyaka egyange nina byennina abantu abamu bye mutalina. Yeah, I'm not gonna be this person who's gonna wake up njijje ku social media ngambe guys nina kino what no. But me, I'm good at doing. That's one thing about me, yeah. And people who have got to know me, they know that.
Wow.
Yeah. Era mutasa akera kumacha omuntu amanyi so close asa akera kumacha naga Don just siji ebwali. That is who I am. And yeah, that's who I am.
Okay. Kati bwe tugendako eno mu byabaganda eno emabega Doni yani.
Okay.
Doni yani.
Okay, I was born. I was not born rich. I'm not gonna lie. Silly planned child, but silly planned child. I've never been a planned child. I was born in Kaboa. You know Kaboa?
Yeah, Kaboa.
So jebanzalira. So nakulira Kaboa. Our family was not good. It was not well off. That's one thing I know. That my mom gave birth to me when she was in school. She was in senior 2. Nga mzee msajja yali akola sijagenda mu nsobi ezo zaabwe tezinkwata koba. That's how I grew up. And growing up, I went to various situations in Somie. I've studied. Sometimes it didn't work out, but now I'm still studying. Professionally, I'm a consultant. Professionally, I'm a very good consultant.
Consultant, yeah.
In consultant, like I'm under strategy and finance. Okay. Yeah, that's what I deal in. I'm a financial advisor and then strategies in people's businesses.
Well, advising abantu abatandika business.
Yeah, I'm a strategist. Yeah, until we're in a business, we manage businesses, but also we have a company where I work from. We ship things. If you ever want anything from abroad, we consolidate it around the world. To connecting abasuubuzi abali to connecting ku Katale. We don't connect. We deal with agents in China, so we deal with the main manufacturers. So That's what exactly we do. We also help people through processing taxes and everything. So we are a very diverse company. That's what exactly we do. And munasonyo oluzungu lungi because lwenamanyira lukozesa nnyo. Yeah. So bwentyo bwe nakula okula kwange kubaddemu okusomozebwa kungi. Kubaddemu okusomozebwa kungi, I know that. So what happened is when nali nkula manyi nakulira kabowa tukulidde mu environment mwe batugambira togenda kufuuka kyoli, togenda kumala kusoma, togenda kufuna sente. Tukulidde mu environment yali nsanyufu naye nga tewa yali bitter. Yes, we have grown up in a bitter environment.
Togenda kusoma, togenda kubeera kyoli.
Naye bwe nakula and I went to campus. I remember I went to campus nensoma, but then one of my traumas started when I have just finished Form 6. Nali muvubuka muto yali yegomba ate mukwegomba okwo nenkoleramu ensobi, and sometimes I literally don't want to talk about it. Like ensobi ezo ngamba nnyo omuntu never make a decision when in desperate mode. Never.
What is a desperate mode? Desperate
mode kwe kubeera awo. No, you put yourself on pressure. It's good to have the desperation eyo naye gikozese mu mikono emituufu. Bwebeera mu mikono emikyavu ng'oli mwana muto, imagine being young ng'ekirooto kyo kyakwata iPhone. Ekirooto kyakwata iPhone ng'okwata mapeesa omayiza okusoma tobitegeera, you need to work. Pressure gy'oliko toyina mulimu, but abantu b'otunuulidde be bantu abali eri waggulu. Do you know that at some point when I was growing up, I used not to work, but I used to have more money than when I started working. I wanted to quit the job.
Simba wakati awo kubanga jobless billionaire.
No, it was not a billionaire. It was not a billionaire.
No, I mean jobless. Omuntu ali jobless ng'alina sente. Ziba zivuddewo.
Obuto buno kintu kizibu. Ebintu ebyali binsanyusa by then nga nkula byali buntu butono. Kubanze bambi, I think mu bulamu buno tufube nnyo nga bw'osobola omwana we afuna ekintu kye yeetaaga. Kuba me, I'm this kind of person. People who have got to know me, they have misunderstood me for very many reasons. I've been misunderstood for various certain times, but me, one thing, I always find ways to communicate. Njija n'enkubuuza ebintu, there's how I ask, njija n'enkubuuza ekintu, bwe nkulaba tekiri familiar na ndowoozayo. Sijja kugamba kintu kye mbadde njagala kugamba. People misunderstand me from there. So what happened in Form 6? Maliza vaka Form 6. So I had these things, and social media, bichi. Funayo ka sente, I had some money.
Nga sente ziva, wajagala okumanya sente gye zaava.
Sente zaali zirina ze ziva. Sente zaali ziva mu mikono. Like obanchi kunje, sente zaali ziva mu mikono. Nedda mukwano. Sente zaali ziva bantu abali batwagala. Kwa naliko awo model. I wanted to be a model, so I used to do those model. Model.
Modeling mulimu sente.
Mukwano. Sijja tetugenda soke tulindeko. I was banange, you guys. Okula kuno kuzibu naye okula kuno watoyiga bingi. Okimanyi tugenda ku street ne twekubisa ebifaananyi nga mukwane waliwo fashion houses eza Facebook, zino original fashion houses, gundi smart fashions, bichi fashions nga tukola photoshoot naye gye zansuula nezinteeka ku Facebook nesoka nenanda. Meanwhile I was even using Ashimalaika. Ashimalaika yali ate nga ndi empisa nali ninamu naye right now mbi nnyo. Nali ninamu kupisa naye right now mbi nnyo. Atwali kirungi kiri mu mpisa. So tuba tukyali awo. Tuba tukyali awo. So what happened is I was so desperate. So one day what happened, I met this person from Facebook. This person started talking. This person now yali ava South Africa. So this person nansuubiza okuntwala mu America. Nga ndaba nayenza omwana we kabowa ngenda mu America. Line neekyuka. Nangamba funayo ku kasente okaleete ojje. So that is where my trauma started. So that when I went to some hotel in Machi, India, nagenda zali sawa bbiri. Jangamba leaving at the next day, but yali etaga sente. nalinawo bumiliyoni bwange 3 nali okusavinga kyo kyava dda nayiga okusavinga
yajjangani like yakwaprochinga ngani like a friend
no like
omuntu wakusomera ddiiru
no Facebook yangamba you're so nice I love you bichi
I
love your character like your character or your good model bichi nedda mukwano. So I went there and when I went there one thing I tell people, it's so hard for people to go through some traumas. You know, waliwo ebintu tugenda okera kumacha tuyitemba, waliwo ebintu tugenda kera kumacha kuyitamu. So what happened? I got there, nali sinywa mwenge. Nali wadini nnyo by the way. Nasinywa mwenge, ne tukenda ngamba waddi wandi mga sinywa mwenge. Bali abantu bangi, there were around 10 people. Hotel room.
Okay. Hotel room?
Yeah, bali abantu 10. Nemugamba I came to see you. Nagamba no, these are my friends. We're just drinking up. I can meet you. Netubera nagamba ne lwaki tuzoya sawa.
Abantu byabapangisa like a villa ne nabereyo ne bakwano be.
Penthouse or presidential suite. So like we got there nemberawo ne neralikirira nnyo. Nemugamba but ziri sawa 3 nalina jjajja wange nali mbera wa jjajja wange Kabowa. Nengamba I have to go. Nangamba era njaga nnyo omukyalo oyo nnyo. I love that woman so much.
Your judge.
My judge so much. She's my everything. So tuba tukyali awo nyingira hotel room. When I ingira hotel room na kola ate nampa soda. Yaleta glass. So I didn't know what was there. I don't know what.
Yakuwa soda?
Soda. Yes, it was not alcohol. Yali soda. Yali Coca-Cola. But I don't know what was there.
In the soda?
In the soda. I lost conscious.
Did
I lost
the soda
time.
smell the same?
Sibimanyize ndi mwana vakad soda smelling ati mbimanyirawa.
Tomanyi soda bwawunya?
Simanyina bwawunya. I don't know. The only thing I understand right now it's alcohol. The rest of the things simanyi bwawunya.
Tomanyi soda bwawunya?
I don't know how soda smells. Honestly, I don't know. Sagana kulimba. Sagana chirimba muntu ali eyo. So, what happened is toba tuli awo. I woke up the next day and I literally didn't feel myself. I got scared. I didn't know how. I didn't feel myself.
What together you didn't feel yourself?
No, Kali. I was, you know, sometimes it's okay to talk about these traumas. I was raped, what I can say, raped.
Raped?
Yeah, but right now I'm past that. It's a very hard story to talk about. So,
you tell
so
me.
you know,
How they raped you.
how they raped me is. Oh.
But now don't.
So I'm not gonna. So right now I'm strong. It's very okay. So how I was raped, I was drugged. Ngenda okudengulu. Nga I'm not feeling myself. I'm feeling too much pain. Yes, I was feeling too much pain, and this when I counted, when I entered, there were 10 people. I got scared. So I called my friend. I have one of my closest long-time friend. We started together, but now she's like a sister to me. Nemukobira, I called some other friend of mine, advising her. I got pep, what. Then, after that, I came up and tried to tell my mom. Ninja nemugamba what had actually happened.
Tonvuga speed doni. Abasajja bamaze okurepinga mu room. Abasajja bali 10. Yeah? Kati wavayo nga owulira pain.
Too much pain.
Nogenda mu ddwaliro.
I didn't know where to go. You know, we are in a society where we are not informed.
Oyo gayi mwanyumyamuko.
I was blocked. Try to get Facebook. I was blocked. This I'll never forgive that person in this world. There are people I have a list of people by that I'm not going to forgive in this world. But that is the first person where I draw the line, and I will never forgive that person. And this kind of person to Onyiza, there's a point where I'll wake up and forgive you, and then there's a point where I can never forgive you. That is a point where I draw the line. I'm not going to forgive that person. So wechatukao, I got frustrated. Samanya nali simanyi, so I called my sister and sister nemugamba that very morning. Nemugamba twabadde wano bichi nangamba lwaki tewangambye. Nemugamba nange simanyize oli yangambye I'm leaving. Come twogere ngenda kufuna passport ogende kutwala mu America. Ekyo nekindeka wala kyandika wala mazima ga Katonda kuba obulamu bwange. I think most of my decision even till now start from that day. That day when it happened and I got pep in the evening. I went and met my mom and I told her. My mom nabi ignoring. No such mugamba bwenti nasi nawe nkitandika. Nanga mom, I'm not okay. I need to discuss to you about something blah 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 blah.
Wali otyo okubulira mama wate nga that was something that happened at home.
Society ng'okwogera ekintu ekimu kikkubya. People are going to judge. Me one thing I don't like it to tell you something. Response on ebiranga sibwenjisuubira. I've not been a good listener until I started studying what I study right now. Until when I went through so much therapy cases. Because one thing that my worst scenario is when I never talked it up. When I was such at that point when it had just happened, it caused too much damages
on you,
on me until to date. Like when it happened. No, I didn't. I'm okay. No, I'm okay. I'm okay health-wise. I got medication, but then I got medication from a very distant person when I saw it. Yanyamba, mukwano gwa sister wange, yanyamba na connecting and nefuna medication. So inafuna medication, after that I told my mom nachi ignoring her. So after one day, after that, that's when I started doing my first suicide. That's when I wanted to do my first suicide. Because I know one of my friends on social media came up and used it against me. Nengamba, you just suicide, what? I tried to do that. And this time it was serious. I took poison and came back home as if I'm normal. We had dinner with the people I was staying with at my judge's place because but then it was getting out of hand. There's one of my mama agenda nanyiga kwa yalichachimanyi nti nalinywedde butwa that very night nga njagala kufa. Bantu amdwaliro bagamba na malaria biki food poisoning biki. Mama n'agamba maybe bakwadde obutwa, someone poisoned you. Me, I knew what I was doing. I was just tired. So obulamu ne butambula. Kulidde mu life nga bakitafa abaatuzaala tebamanyi bitukwatako bakera ku makya ne bazaala. Yeah, my mom and my grandma, but mostly my grandmother. Yankuza okusinga. My mom has been there, but nakula na single mom, my dad yakowa yagala kumanya. So tugenda maaso, I go at campus, I go at MOBS. Bansomeyo, ndimusoma, it was my second year. This person appears again. Appears again, yansanga mu town.
Just coincidentally, mwasinkana by coincidence.
Coincidentally, yansanga mu town nangamba, I have a privilege. We have the video. You know I'm single. I have the video. If you don't give me money, I'm gonna do that. Ha.
Na yanga alindako. Ono guy just wali otambula times and then no msinkana.
No, we met in a restaurant. Yansanga mu restaurant. You know, coincident. Yeah, coincident. Why is that how people met? Nangamba hi Lubega. Nangamba hi. Nenyiga kwa me when I don't like you, even my reaction paused. But that was traumatizing. Now my fears came back. By then I didn't call tax. Na vam town. Amaziga gampita ayagala sente. Yes, I remember I discussed it with even my people, but my former workplace. Na discuss kakono supervisor and ebimunyumiza. When ebimunyumiza, she advised me right. So mbandi awo tutambula bwe tutugenda maaso omwana n'antisatisa nagamba agenda gifulumya nentya. Because amazima Katonda video gyotali control tegeera. Gyotamanya biki byagala, tomanyi biki byavaamu. Oyinza okubeera nga gwekitwala nga trauma yet you were high and you were liking what
yakulagako ku video eyo nga bakurepinga.
Teyagindaga wulira tugenda mu maaso because tukyagenda. So tuba tukyagenda mu maaso, I get worried. I come back home. My mom's house was here, then wali one neighbor we yabeeranga. So ngendayo musibula ngende waka. But her heart never felt right.
Your mom's heart?
Yeah, it never felt right. Agenda okujja mu nju yasanga netaddemu omuguwa ndi mu kinaabiro njagala kwetta again. After saying things on WhatsApp status, people who started with me at campus never understood actually what they understood it later that I had traumas that I was dealing with. But this is the time I even came up and I gave my own will. Once I die, yes, once I die, I want people to wear afro, njaganyu mwambale ebimuli, sagala black amwe. I want to be buried next to this bichi edda by then. Nakyusamu kati tuli ku chapter ndala nnyo. So nekituukawo, but wekyatuukawo, people reached out, I started getting therapy bichi, and then my dad called me. Mayiwe yaŋŋamba gwe baŋŋambye wadde oyagala kwetu gwofaaki naye otegeera bulungi. Oh my God.
Nga takuwuliriza as a boy.
Ne mugamba I was going through something nga tobiŋŋamba ajjako essimu. So nepulira nga kinkubye wala.
Kati ono gayi bwe yakugamba mbu agenda ku-exposinga ne videos zo.
Nalina obusente bwange.
Teyakuwa yadde ennamba.
Namba yagala $2,000,000.
Tewamubuuza nti nziteekewo oba nkukubire ku namba ki?
Nalina $2,000,000, but then I was in some kind of relationship awo.
Nalina girlfriend wo?
Nalina relationship awo gye nalimu with someone abroad. Nenebba mukwano. Nenebba like nenebba ne muga laptop bagibbye ne ya mukwano gwange bagibbye laptop 3 baagala nsaswe $2,000,000.
I wish you went to police.
Tukyagenda. So ebyo nali sibimanyi ndi ku campus bitegeera. So I got the money, I gave to this person gets lost again. Cash byaliko transfer bichi. So after some time nitugenda maaso naitawo mwaka omulala I joined a different company. Joining a different company, joining a company ndi intern nali nkolera nakasero by then nekiddamu.
It looks like a curse.
Naddamu najja.
Kati
when I met this person nangamba musibe go try to look out to hospital nangamba Don, one thing that you have to know, first accept whatever happened. Stop being in denial. Stop being that what if it happens, what if they know. Nothing is going to happen. So when we know, so what? Nagamba kati okiŋŋambye, so what is going to happen? Nagamba by the way, wait a minute, I need to just adapt to this. When you get to know what's up, nembisaamu awo poliisi biki ne bakwatibwa ne babeeringa n'adduka n'atravelinga n'abula paka nakati taddangamu. No, there was no any video.
Teyakukwata video?
Tewaliyo yenna video.
Just
bakurepinga
babies and they didn't even.
Tewaliyo video yenna just that yali aga kutekinga privilege. Ate sina muntu mukulu by the nagenda okizuula by the ngenda omunoonyezaako obulungi nga bana abafere. You want to join Illuminati? Babikola nnyo South Africa.
Okay, so then why did they rape you? Why?
I don't know actually what happened.
Balina kurepinga.
No, by night I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I can never come to that person's mind because when some minds end up getting traumatized, I don't want to put anything. But some minds ochibera kyali positive ngaga maybe nali njagala kusanyuka. Ngambe kai naye yali aga kwesanza nganze nakaba. No, I don't want to think about that and I'm not going to think about it, but that is one person I'm not going to forgive. The rest of the people sibamanyi na yoyo ate kati nemugwako kati simanyi nakumanya. I don't know. Right now it's even worse. But now manyiza amateeka, I know what to do. So
bangamba nti when someone does something like that to you, you get addicted to it. Kati here comes a question jempulira abantu bakwogerako ku TikTok nga bagamba nti oli Ebisiyaga. Is it true?
Banange,
we're getting addicted.
Ugandans should learn one thing. Full figure gamba let people be. But me, I'm not gonna let. No. So me, what I'm gonna tell you guys, one thing I can never tell you, ekintu ekinemye paka nakati, ekigenda okunnema kyentera n'okugamba abantu. I've never slept with any girl.
I've
never slept with any girl, and I don't know whether I will. I'm not expecting to have kids, and I don't know whether I'm going to have kids because I have trauma to affection. I have trauma to romance. I have trauma for that. I can't. How am I going to start? How am I going to do that? Like, and then.
To enjoying ngako bino. Really?
Because the time when I...
But does it stand?
No. But the time...
No?
No, but the time... Yeah, it stand. Oh my God, but that's cheated. But that's cheated. No. I thought, does it still stand? Like, I do. I'm very okay. Because I've ever had... The time that... The time that I did it, it caused more problems to my life.
How?
Just tajagenda tetujagenda
yo. You have never had sex in your whole life, in your entire life.
I don't want someone to wake up and be like, you know what, oyo nina omwana we tekigenda kusoboka sagala okere ku macha ongambe. No, honestly, how I've grown up and what I've seen, it has made me to come to a point whereby I'm going to leave someone who's going to be vulnerable with my actions. I've messed up, by the way. I've messed up so badly. I've messed up so badly.
That you have messed up.
I've messed up. So first of all, where I've messed up, let's go back to my mom. You know how African society is. Omuzadde tasobya. Nze kuva senior fonge ekyo kigambo sikikirizangamu. Zenga muddamu nnyo naddamu nnyo maama wange nnyo.
Kugamba wali mwana ampisambe.
No, that's what I can say, but then I came to understand one thing. I was misunderstood. You know, at some point, there is how we have to groom children. No. No, right now... no, African society, no kubeirao, but there's what we call grooming a child. I feel like if my mom understood me right, I wouldn't even have reached to that point where...
She's a single mom.
It's a single mom. No, Mukwano. Mukwano, what do you mean? Ayakulali stressed. When she gave birth to me, did she stay single? She got married again and she had more siblings of mine. So there's nothing being that Charlie Wecho, and I don't blame her for that. But what I do, namudangamu, nenga abantu engeri gye bangambangamu, when I feel like when someone when kuddamu nga kuzzemu nti oli muzadde wange, give me a clear lesson. Tonkwata kunkuba. Tonkwata kunsa mu kkomera just because nkuzzeemu.
Did she do?
I've grown up so much when I'm so much scolded at makulu. That's why it's the one thing that can end my friendships. It's raising your voice at me. Whether you're my good friend, whether you're my best friend, I will end it. Even relationships. Sagala. Yes. Like, that's where I draw the line. So my mom, she got to know about it. And so my mom, this is where like namudangam. I was one time onalimu senior one katwa my mom kalateye we took it saying ngamba nalimu senior one omwana wa senior 3 ajja omwana oyo siri musonyiwa naye siri musonyiwa apa nali mutonyizo musonyiwamo si musonyiwa ne director yali director weso nalimu senior one omwana oyo yalina ekintu kye yankola ne mudambu be ne bantwala mu staff room ne bankuba. Nagamba musomesa, why are you beating me yet you have not even listened to what has actually happened? What has actually happened? Nengamba kanzire waka. When ade waka maye muza kadde kye yakola. Yankwata nantwala mu nazizayo twali lwalina ku lwakusatu. Abana bokusomero bali matwali lwalina ku lwakusatu. Bali abasama bali basala wali abalokola bakatucha bali basaba. Ne bantwala mbalokole ne bangalamiza ne bankuba.
Ate abalokole bakuba.
No, Lindako, my mom took me with the director. Mulindwa. Ate ne Mulindwa ebanaye sa I don't want to go there. Omusajja nakwata nankuba kiboko. We banjijjawo ne bantwala mu like mu other class. Ne bankuba kiboko. This is senior one. Ne bankuba kiboko. And then this person thinks, and one thing by the way, one thing I wanted closure, at least ngamba nti nakikoze because wakoze wane nsobe. Yangamba ndi omuzadde tasobya awo ekintama. Ekigambo ekyo nsala buli wenchulya era nze omuntu. By the way, siri going against African families. They are good parents, but then they are toxic parents. Me, I stand for toxic parents. Me, I can tell you even now, all my relatives are blocked from 1 to Z. Bonna omuntu ayogera nange mu family muntu mwala nakula naye.
Aha, tulina Don Lubega olunaku lwaleero emboozi empanvu nnyo. parents banaye kino kibalekawa ono ye second boy child bwe naakaleeta ng'entabo evudde ku bazadde abazadde mwetereeze enkuza y'abaana kintu kikulu abaana b'edda bwe baba bakuzanga si bw'osobola okuza omwana w'ennaku zino banaye tukikirize kituyingire mu mitwe omwana waakugamba ekigambo nga gwe wamuzaala n'osigala ng'otidde nogaba bannange omwana wange agenda kubeera atya n'ofukamira ku mavivi n'osaba banaye tusabire abaana naye nga tusaba n'abaana tubateeka mu layini nga tubakuza mu nkuza eri proper omwana okuba waaki okutuuka omufiirako omwana agenda kuddukako awaka agenda apaale n'ensi ng'atidde emiggo olaba ne ku masomero ennaku zino puyira gavumenti yagamba tebaddamu kuba baana so bannange baddi abazadde let this be a lesson this boy decisions zonna ze yakola yazikola because of his mother kati engeri gye walokoka olinayo space y'okusonyiwa mami more than that
my mom sekuyinaako buzibu
kubanga ogambye tojja
no sekuyina no leka nkunyonyola sekuyinaako buzibu ofuna ekizibu you can call me when you need help you can call me you can go through the person who called me to come for namulabyeko even of recent at the burial twabadde awo okuziikako omuntu ali so crucial in my life kwewalabye I went for a burial nengenda ne musanga bampitako naye ne muyitako netweyitako yakakkana nga maze oyitaawo muba connections nyingi nengenda ne mubuuza nga sweta no mami yayataka omaye nentambula nengenda tebanziramu bubi I respect myself nentambula nengenda but then after one thing kyenkusabira sabolyawe Katonda first of all ekyokubiri I have no any problem with you but what I'm not going to allow I don't want you in my life newenfa nga wangamba wofa sikuziikanga era mukwano tetujja kuziika newenfanga by the way I tell you one thing once I die I don't want to be buried first of all my family family but lindako family hold on I'm telling you family mubeere ne mututiisatiisa ffe babo ffe abajja okuziika wololololo
you want to be taken to the museum
I've been in jail and my family never bailed me out yet be bansiba
kiki ekyakutwala mu jail tonyumiriza story
my mom people are going to attack her I don't want people to attack her but I'm attacking her because if I give you the story of what exactly happened that's what gave me so much hate to even block and I don't want to hear from her it will be bad for her but respecting naye ina business mu kibuga katukirekere kankirekere Katonda but one thing I'm not my family mututiisatiisa tugenda basic I've been in jail and I was bailed out when none of the family members showed up to bail me out none of them visited me my friends did and my friends made sure that I was out of jail secondly I've been in a surgery sigumuseebiri nga ndionze mulundi gumu sigumuseebiri nga ndionzeka I leave my home and I go for a surgery and I come back home and friends have been there people have never been there perforation ulcers zintawanya nnyo
bazi operate
yes ulcers bazi operating ulcers zintawanya nnyo and when you have no right now I'm okay I got to know when you have too much mental stress it was coming from my stress it was not even eating it was just stress just anxiety nyingi bichi so mukwano mututiisatiisa mugenda tuze mukwano I'm going to be criminated and before I die just know I have an insurance policy that has to make sure that I have to be buried here and there I'm going to be criminated Vukuja banjoche my friends can come because I know there are my friends who can't fail to show up I want to be yes it's my mukwano bakikola it's just and it's even cheap by the way it's 6 million
okwocha
yeah
bakwocheza
guy yangamba let me check here because I was speaking to him
wakola done research
no me I made research because one thing I don't want to stressing abantu anonga afudde simaya mu nsondere mugambo yo mwana yeyonoona nnyo wololololo olaba just need a certificate from KCCA
6 million
yeah
certificate from KCCA
and criminating fee that is included
bajikoleza
bakosa mu case ne bakwocha
ne bayiwaka amafuta
neki ne
kati evvuba oyagala balitekewo evvu
no
lyo?
evvu lyange ligenda I don't want to even say, I will blush. Evvu lyange njagala omuntu gwensinga okwagala yababeera nalyo. One of the person gwengambye gwenjagala ennyo oyo yababeera nalyo.
Ng'alitereka mu nnyumba ye akazimu tekamusumbuwe.
Tetusoboka. This person can never tasobola. Takasobola.
Baliteeka mu cupa baliteekenga mu ki?
Anywhere. But after some time I want to go ocean, Pacific Ocean.
Gy'abaliteeka.
Eyo. Gye mba mbeera ku ocean. I'll feel much peace. Tanokwera mu ntalo z'ebika. Simanyi maama biki. Kojja, taata, ololo, taka. Saagala biwulira. I don't want to hear that. Because one thing I tell you guys, wherever I am, we are here because we came together. You pushed me to the wall. Now deal with the barrier. Omaye wasinga omuntu woti n'omusindika kusenge n'akibuuka.
Already zino 6 million ez'okwokya wazisasula dda.
That is little money. That is little money on me.
I mean, like, we're preparing.
That is little money on me.
We don't know when we are going to die.
We don't know when you are going to die, but I'm saying if it happens, even if it happens tomorrow, that money can never fail. That's little money. I'm telling you that.
Anna, ngono mwana ali serious.
That's little money, and I don't want to. Manyi ze abantu abanyambye nina mikwano gyange. People have been there for me. There are people who have helped me.
Bambi, you
like Hi Dari from USA. I love you so much. It's one of my good friend.
He's a boy or a girl?
A guy, my good friend, called Hi Dari. What was her name? Neshana.
Hi Dari guy.
Yes, Hi Dari. Bamita guy. Hi Dari. That is his name. Both.
Hi Dari.
Yeah, Hi Dari. Yeah, he's one of my. Yes, he's a good person.
Emphasize eky'omulenzi.
Tochigumiza. Mukwano so n'abalala mikwano bange abalala.
Who is Lana?
Lana Baba.
Oh, Lana Baba.
But Lana is not that close friend. Kusigwe ngambe bana abasigadde. So abogera kwa manyi ba fake friend banji. Mugenda stra video muzibatwaye, but one thing I can tell you, there are these 3 people I like so much in my life.
Tukulabye kwata.
The person who forwarded me to to my therapist, Mr. Andrew. Andrew is my therapist. He's a pastor, by the way. He's a very nice therapist. People who need people to talk to, Andrew is one of the best people you can talk to. Andrew. Secondly, the person, olabe ne sim. Omuntu, you know, I had an iPhone 14 nebajibba.
Chokagwe, your phone has a wallpaper. It's called Hope in Jesus.
Yeah, Hope in Jesus. So, my phone was stolen last year. When it was stolen, I met this person, one of the person I love most. Nangabadon, you can't hold such a phone. Nainaka 11. You know, we get transfers. Transfers are okay. But I've never seen someone getting up and give me cash. By the way, you know, sometimes I tell you there are some things, it's about the actions. Actions speak louder than anything. Your action to me is going to determine the rest of my life with you. Like, if you're my friend, that is going to determine. The person who forwarded me to a therapist gave me the best solution. The person who forwarded me to Fanero gave me the best solution. The person who got me the phone, I never be a caller. Nae esimu eno. Kotinotandikira. Yes. I was with this person. Nakwata cash. Oh my God. Natia, honestly, I got scared. But I love this person so much. This person has made sure I'm okay 100%.
Oh, amazing.
Has made sure I'm okay 100%. Even the time I know I've messed up, I know kunyiziza, but I'm so sorry, but
omuntu oyo tetumutegedde. He's your father now. He's your godfather. He's your boyfriend.
Tata, koja, mukwano gwange family is my one family that I have. Is my one family I have. You know, Christmas yatuka last year. People had gone to families, and this is time I was alone. But this person welcomed me, and I'm part of the family. And I was like, you know, sometimes just because just because we are family doesn't mean that we are supposed to be close. I keep on telling that people, family is not everything. Your family is nice, my family is not nice. I have a mental health group I'm planning to do a documentary soon about mental health. But most of stories that I'm hearing from people, if it's not stigma of HIV from family, if it's not mental health misunderstanding from family, if it's not forced relationship, if it's not trauma, family zikuba, if it's not rape from family, buli kimu family n'owulira, if it's not witchcraft muli n'abalogo. Amanyize atijja buli wenkera ku macha nefukamira bwenti nengamba Mukama Katonda. Amaziga gampita namu oluusi. Sometimes wembeera nsaba nga Police Grace, Apostle Grace Lubega, nagamba, I know people, well, someone nagamba, people want you to fail. People have said you will never make it. Naye Apostle Grace Lubega, I have a testimony. Meanwhile, I've never even met him in person, but by the time I met him, I was a non-believer. But now I became a believer, and you have saved a life. You have saved a million lives. You have saved my life, and actually my work. Right now, I even understand what it means to do charity. Okwata sente ngenda mbala ne spending a sente ezo. Ngenda charity ngenda ne nkwata abana batalina mu asilizi. Do you know nagenda mu charity of recently? Twagenda ne mukwano gwange tugenza okukola charity. Nensanga abana emyezi 6 nga basudde mutoyi babakasuse. Okitegeera. Ekinkuba wala nengamba omuntu azaala omwana n'omusuula Nsaba Katonda, nsaba nyira wenkera ku machansa Katonda mugamba Katonda mpa obugabirizi neme butalake nga naye nyamba abantu abetaaga obuyambi. That thing intrigued me so much. Ogenda mu ddwaliro n'olaba abaana ba cancer n'owulira n'ennaku, people are suffering, people need help. Ate kati the mental health year ansukiddeko ddala. Mental health people don't want to understand mental health, but when you have time, please understand these people. There's a time, one thing I tell people, if you can ask me, how are you? And I tell you I'm fine, just I'm fine, you're not my friend. I have to give you the detail. Nakedde ku machanga sewulya bulungi naye makkati awo nawuliddemu nga siri okay. That's what it means, that mental health, that's what it means. People just want, hi, how are you? But you don't know what is going through in people's lives. There are days where I came on TikTok and I ended up crying tears on a live. Nekaba Amaziga. Never guys shoot days and pull it down fans. Dala. You people at a relationship when I get at it, relationship. Relationship, relationship when I said relationship. Someone cheated and someone blamed me for cheating. Nangamba. That's why I cheated. Imagine. Relationships, I've ever walked in my house. Nisangamo omuntu omulala nga ali mu maka. Nambuuza, who are you? Bali kikuzizaako mu njuyo n'okoma mukazi omulala nakubuuza gwani newennyonnyolako.
Wangambye toyina relationship ziri long distance kati in this home.
No, like kunnyonnyola where a relationship is. Kati that's where I'm giving you a snippet because saagawinga mu details. Because when ngenda mu relationship ate awo pulya n'obusungu buvaayo, pulya n'emizimu gittuka egyewaffe gisiina ekika gittuka byonna nabyo ddala nga I have too much grudge with relationships. Me, one thing I tell people, it's action that counts. But one person has showed me about, I'm a very resilient person to trust. I can tell you things, but what even to remember no taking over the by the way, there are always signs, by the way. When you're nkubuuza ne gamba Hadija,